All right, so this module will cover the redirect tool. What is a redirect? Well, a redirect allows us to add our own custom link over here on the left-hand side and redirect the clicking of that link to any website that we want to. It can be a page that is embedded in the Pages section, or it could be for an external link for a website that's out on the internet. And I'll show you both of those. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my Pages section, and I'm going to create a page here. This could be a page called About the Teacher. Now, as Webster Groves High School staff, we are required to have an About the Teacher page over here, but there isn't one there, and there's not the ability to add one. So we'll custom make one. You'll get a template of one of these available in each of your courses this fall, but for right now, we're going to show you a sample one. So I'm just going to type in a bare minimum amount of text so that you can see how this works. And then I'm going to press save and publish. So now we have a page called About the Teacher. We're pretty close to adding it over here to the left-hand side. What I'm going to do before I leave this page is I'm going to copy the URL for this particular About the Teacher page on this course. I can right-click on it and copy. Okay, now we're ready to make the link over here on the left using the redirect tool. I will go to Settings, Apps, search for redirect. There it is. It says it adds links to external web resources that show up as navigation items in course, user, or account navigation. So we'll click on it, click the add symbol, button, paste my link here, and whatever words I want to show up over here on the left for the link, I need to type in the name box. So since this is the About the Teacher page, I'm going to type About the Teacher for the link. You have four options down here. It says force open in a new tab, which means if they click on the About the Teacher page, do I want them to leave this Canvas website? And the answer for this particular link is no. I want the About the Link tab just to open the About the Teacher page over here in the middle and not force them to open up a second tab. When we connect to a educational website on the internet, you may want to force it to open in another tab. So I'll uncheck that option. I'm going to choose Show in Course Navigation, which means make it appear over here on the left, Show in Account Navigation, and Show in User Navigation so that the student sees it on their end. I will click Add App, and it's going to tell me that a redirect website was added. If I look over here on the left, I still don't see the About the Teacher page. That's because I need to refresh the page in order to see a redirect appear. When I look over on the left, there's my About the Teacher page. I'm going to click on it to see if my redirect works, and look at that, works on the first try. Now, I have the ability to rearrange this link, and I'll do that really quickly. Maybe I want the About the Teacher link to be near the top. So I will click and hold on it and move it up to near the top so my students can find my contact information and my background a little bit more quickly next time. Press Save, and we now have the About the Teacher link up here on the left. If you have one of your redirects is not working, that's really easy to fix. If you need to fix a broken link on the left, click Apps, View App Configurations, find the link on the left you're trying to fix, there it is, and you can paste the appropriate link right here in this area. That'll fix that problem. Okay, let's add another one that maybe we'll go to, I don't know, the Khan Academy website. So I'm going to, move back up here, go over to View App Center, and I'm going to look for redirect again. So redirect can be used an unlimited number of times. It's not like a traditional LTI tool where once installed, you're done with it. This you can use as many times as you want for as many links you want to add over here on the left. I'm going to click again on it, and I'm going to say I want a Khan Academy website link. Maybe I just want to redirect my students to that website instead of using an LTI. I will go and get the Khan Academy link, just copying it right out of my web browser. That way I don't misspell it. Paste it in there. And then I have the option. Do I want to force it in a new tab, which means it'll open another tab along the top? Or do I want it to show up in this area? I'm going to say stay in Canvas. If students want to open it separately, they can, but it might eliminate the confusion of leaving Canvas and having difficulty for students getting back to it. I'll make it appear for the student, press Add App, and just like the first link, it's not going to appear unless I refresh. And there's my Khan Academy link. If I click on the Khan Academy link, it's going to open up that external website right here in this area. It says, uh-oh, HTTP server IP address could not be found. If this happens to you, that means that the Khan Academy website does not allow users to embed their website into another website. That's to protect their content and to make sure their website is not showing up on another website that they would be uncomfortable with. So if this does happen to you, it's an easy fix. We're going to go back into settings, and I'm going to delete out Khan Academy because we're going to fix it again the next time here. All right, so I took out that redirect because Khan Academy won't let me add it in my Canvas website so that it shows on the right side. So I'm going to go back to App Center, choose redirect, add app. I'll paste that same Khan Academy link in there. I'll call it up here again, Khan Academy. But now I'm going to leave the option that says force open in new tab. Khan Academy should be comfortable with their website showing up all by itself. Press Add App, refresh the web page, and now let's try this out. And assuming that there were no errors in linking, which do occasionally happen, sometimes I do have to repeat that process if a link doesn't show up. It will show up somewhere over here on the left, just like you see it, and then that link will take them to a new tab for your redirect. That pretty much sums up how the redirect tool works. I hope that was easy to follow. If not, reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns.